Introducing the Location Manager PeepSo integration add-on for WordPress, a sure way to manage locations on your PeepSo profile. The Locations Manager PeepSo integration add-on adds the ability for PeepSo community members to create and discuss map locations and point of interest. PeepSo is the next generation social networking plugin for WordPress that allows you to create your own online community in just a few clicks. After you post a location in your profile, you can include images, videos, a description, and a map that will appear in your feed under the Locations tab. Add, customize, move, or delete the locations you're interested in. Automatically post the location you created on your PeepSo feed, and make and customize your own template. You can disable, activate, and customize all these options on the back end. To purchase this add-on tool and other CM products, please visit us at www.cminds.com. We code, you create.